Hey guys, welcome to another DBMS tutorial. Today we'll be learning about degree of relationship in ER diagram. So let's get started. First thing, what are we going to learn today? First we'll look at the definition, that is what is degree of relationship in ER diagram. And the next thing is what are the different types of degrees in ER diagram. So let's get started. First thing, what is degree of relationship type in ER diagram? Well, the definition goes like this. The degree of relationship type in ER diagram is the number of participating entity types. Okay. Now entity types is set of entities of the same type, as simple as that. Now let's look at an example. Let's say we have got an entity type over here called teacher, and we have got entity type student. Okay. So teacher 1 teaches student 1, teacher 1 also teaches student 3, teacher 2 teaches student 2, teacher 3 teaches student 3, and teacher 4 teaches student 4. Now what is the relationship between these two entity types? The relation is teaches. Okay. So teacher teaches student. Okay, so how many entity types are there related to this relationship? 1 and 2, that is teacher set and student set. Hence, the degree of this relationship is 2, or it is also known as binary. Now, let's look at the next point, which is what are the different types of degrees in ER diagram? Well, a relationship with two entity types or of degree 2 is known as binary, like we have seen just now. Okay. And a relationship with 3 entity types or of degree 3 is known as ternary. A relationship can be of any degree, but generally most common relationships are binary, that is of degree 2. So binary degrees or binary relationships are very common. Now let's look at an example for ternary degree of relationship. Let's say there is a department, it is employing the employees. Well, employees is the relationship. Now what about recruiters? Well, the department also employs the recruiters, and the recruiters also employ the employee. So this is a ternary relationship, employees. Okay. So essentially department employs the employee, department employs the recruiters, and recruiters employing the employee. Alright. So this is an example of ternary relationship. Now what is the minimum degree of relationship? This is a very important question. What is the minimum degree of relationship? Well, the minimum degree is unary. What do you mean by unary? Well, of degree 1. Now how can an entity have relationship with itself? Well, it is not entity that is having relationship with itself. It is the entity type. Okay. So one entity type can have multiple entities in it. Okay. So let's look at an example. Let's say there is a entity type called subjects. Okay. Now one subject's entity type will contain multiple subjects. And what is the relationship? The relationship is prerequisite for. All right. Now let's say in engineering, we have got two subjects. First year we have got applied mathematics 1. And in second semester, we have got applied mathematics 2. Now, what do you mean by is a prerequisite for? Basically, you need to know applied mathematics 1 to learn applied mathematics 2. But applied mathematics 1 and applied mathematics 2 both are subjects. Hence, they form in the entity type subjects. Hence, one entity from subjects is having a relationship with another entity from the same entity type subjects. Hence, the relation is between one entity type. Hence, it's called unary. Similarly, we have another example. Let's say employees. Okay. Now, employees work for employees. Now, what does that mean? Let's say there is a company. A company has manager, a company has programmers, a company has accountants. Okay. So essentially, all of these people fall in the same entity type employees. Okay. They are after all employees of the company. Okay. But the accountant, the programmer, they are working for a boss. Okay. And that boss can be a manager. So let's say a programmer is working for senior programmer. Hence, they are both employees. Since they are both employees, one employee works for another employee, but both of them are part of the same entity type employees. Hence, it's a unary degree of relationship. Now, how are the relationship types displayed in ER diagram? Well, to represent relationships in ER diagram, what we use is diamond-shaped boxes. And the names of the relationship types are written inside the diamond-shaped boxes. Now we'll do the revision. First thing, we learned the definition, that is what is degree of relationship. The degree of relationship is the number of participating entity types with that relationship set. Okay. Now what are the different types of degrees in ER diagram? Well, there are multiple. The one is called unary, that is of degree 1. Of degree 2 is called binary. Of degree 3 is called ternary, and so on. But the most common ones are known as binary, that is of degree 2. A relationship with 3 is known as ternary. We have seen over here. The next thing is, what is the minimum degree of relationship? The minimum degree of relationship is unary, that is of degree 1. Alright, and this means that the relationship can exist between the different entities of the same entity set or a single entity set.
So that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any queries, feel free to ask them in the comment section below. If you have any suggestions, please write them in the comment section below. If you like the video, please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.